Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to make a table in our website here. Tables are handy for organizing our website content. So you can imagine if we have a table, we could have like 3 or 4 rows going across, or maybe just 2 rows. We could have like an image right here, we could have a video playing over here, we could have something else over here. You get the gist of it. So we're going to be following this reference here. We're going to use our resources and go to w3schools.com. And the most logical way to follow this is to do it backwards. So we're going to be going to table responsive first, and then leading all the way up to table borders. And so this is what it looks like at the moment. I'm just going to delete all this so we could go from the very beginning here. So default .html, and then I'm just gonna delete all this, and we're gonna redo that. And I'm also gonna go, okay, control save, also gonna go into style CSS and delete all the CSS that we have for the table right here. So there you go. That's how we have it at the moment. And let me see if there's anything else right here. Okay, so going into our w3schools.com, going down to CSS and then CSS tables, go down to table responsive. From here you can see an example of a responsive table, and it'll display a horizontal scroll bar if the screen is too small to display the full content. So how do we do this to where it displays the scroll bar if the screen is too small to display the contents? We add an overflow x auto to our div. So we need to create a div and add that property to it. So going into default.html, I need to be in the body here. So I'm going into the body, and I'm creating this div. Adding a style equals overflow x auto oh there. Now we can create our table right underneath the div table. And table content. And then close off the table. And close off our div. So if we go ahead and save that, go back to this, refresh it, and you're gonna see it right here. So right here it's not exactly ideal for a table yet, but that's what it looks like with what we have so far in the code. To make it pretty, we add some CSS to it. So you scroll down on the W3 Schools website, on the page that we're on right now, you can see how the table rows are aligned in the code. So under table, you add the table row, then you add first name, last name, or whatever you want to do right here, and then table row, and then the contents of that cell. So Peter Griffin is what it shows right here. So we're gonna go ahead and go under a table. I'll do table row to add a row here. And I'm just gonna keep it simple for this demonstration here. So table content for everything. Close off our table row here. Excellent. And I'm just going to keep it at that. Close off our table down here. Oh, actually, we already closed it off over here. So right here we can put, let's see, close off the table row. Yes, we did right there. And then forgot to add a new table row for this one, so let's do that right now. Table row for that one, and close off that table row right here. And this got mixed up for some reason. It needs to be closed off for the TD right there. Okay, table row and our table content. Close off the table. Close off our div. Okay, so when we save that, that's what we have so far. We save that, go back to our table, refresh. Now you can see it's formatted more in the shape of a table there, but we still need it to be a table, or at least look like a table on here. So then we go up to table style. In table style, we see how to add padding to our table. So go into our styles.css and th td padding 15 pixels. Text align left. Control S to save that. And that's what it looks like now. Keep going through the examples here. So next, we can add a border to it. So up here, border bottom 1 pixel solid, and then TTT. That's just the color that you want it to be. Okay, save that, refresh. Now we can see the border. Okay, so to make it hoverable, if we wanted to change colors when we hover over it, we could add tr hover to our CSS. So going under this, tr hover, background color, and let's say I want to make it when you hover over this one, I don't know if it has this programmed into it, but let's try it out. Aquamarine. Control save, refresh. Ah, it does. So now it's aquamarine when I hover over the table. Okay, excellent. Gonna move this down so it kind of matches up the brackets here, and then close off that bracket. Control save. Okay. And then this goes on to, show you how to make striped tables. The table color, if you want to change the table color there, you can do so using this method. Background color and a color white. Don't want to change the background color of it, but I'm just going to do it for the example here. So background color, then 04 AA 6D. Control save, and color white. Control save. So now you have a different background color for the table. Now we go up to table alignment. And then TD to text align the cell contents to the center. We're going to add that. Well, actually, we have it up here, so we're just going to do text align center. Control save. Now it's centered. If you want to text align left, you do this. But that's not for the TD, that's for the TH. So if we do TH, we have TH right here. TH hover. Then TH TD right here. But if we want to do specifically just the TH instead of TH and TD, so let's say I just want the TD to text align center. So I'm going to cut that out because this is applying to both TH and TD. Or if I just do TD and then text align center, and then just the TH, I want to text align to the left side. I'm going to save that, and I'm going to refresh. So you can't really tell with this one. Let me see why real quick. Oh, so we already have these two text aligned up here. If we delete that, hold on. Let's save that. Yeah. Not seeing it. I'm seeing the center aligned, but this might just be big enough to fill that cell to where I can't really see it being text aligned left on this side. So let's keep going and expanding it to where I can see the change here. Vertical align. So if you want it to be like aligned vertically to the bottom of the border here. Table size now. So we're gonna make this table a little bit bigger now. Table width, and we're gonna take up 100% of the view area with it. TH we have up here, so we're gonna do height 70 pixels. Control save that, refresh. Now you can see it's taking up 100% of the view area. If we expand or collapse it, it's gonna be visible. So yeah, this top one is not aligned to the left. Let's take a look here. TH, table content, TD, table content. I haven't set up the routing for these buttons yet because I want to change the message. I want to change the names and then create new pages for those new names, but I don't know what to do with these yet, so that's why that's not routing to the right spot on the left hand side nav bar. That's a good look also. It's interesting. Okay, I'm just going to leave TH in the middle at the moment. It doesn't want to read the value for text align left. This is TH, by the way, this top one. And then this is TD, the table content. Okay, so going back to this, You have our height set right here. Have our width set. Width 50%. And I think that's all I wanted to show you today. Let me see. So table borders, you're fine on that first one. And if you want to make like table borders like this, you could follow these examples. I actually don't want to add any more borders to this table. I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to leave that as is. Alright, so on the next tutorial, we're going to be filling out these tables with content. I'll see you then. Bye.